See, more muscle involved. Who knew?
Muscle, science, math.
You're gonna get so strong doing this job. Okay. Where's my, I put it in here.
It's hiding behind the rolling pin,
Right.
so we can't see it.
Pizza cutter.
Can you move the rolling pin a little bit?
Yes.
There you go.
Sorry
Thank
about that.
you.
Okay, so I'm going to cut that. Nice thing about modeling chocolate is it gives you a lot of time to work with it. It does not get all dried out and nasty. So
Cool.
because of this rough edge and all these holes, and I want a smooth surface, I'm actually gonna cover it twice, which may sound weird, but, and this covering here is thin. But then if I get modeling chocolate all kind of nice and worked into all these little holes and edges and all that stuff, it just works so much better. This is what I've discovered in first coming up with this little conception.
Jackie says that she has a rolling pin like that. She got it from Cake Boss. She's had it for about 3 years.
Oh, right on.
Very cool. Thanks, Jackie.
I believe this is maple wood. I think some of the best ones that I've seen and heard of are maple wood. And as long as you don't get chinks in it, if you treat it nice,
Yeah.
it should last you about forever. Because I'm almost forever old, and so yeah, case in point.
Cool. Mary Jane says that A Smart carries them too.
Oh, cool. Thank you for all the shopping info. I love shopping
right.
info. Okay, so I'm just using my, my roller here. This is like, who cares if it's ugly at this point? You just are trying to fill all these little square hole thingies.
PVC pipe from your home improvement store.
Absolutely.
Cheapest rolling pin you'll ever get.
Yep. And actually, you get a big piece of pipe, you get a whole bunch of them.
Oh, yeah.
You just cut them all to whatever length you want. I have quite a few lengths of them. Okay. So now I'm going to trim off the edge.
That's your professional fondant rolling cutter.
Pizza cutter.
Oh, okay.
Don't get sucked into buying the cake stuff,
Yeah.
because they charge you more for it.
Generally speaking.
So,
Yeah, it's a pizza cutter.
yeah,
It's a pair of scissors.
don't get sucked
PVC
in.
pipe.
Don't get sucked into that. It'll just cost yourself more money.
But that's why we're here on classes like this, so we can learn the super cool tips. Like
Right.
I'm blown away with your keep your chocolate warm, your heating
Isn't
pad.
that the coolest thing ever?
That is the coolest thing
I thought
ever.
of that all on my own.
Wow.
I did. That was a
Yeah, but it's like
blonde brilliant moment.
I was going to say, it's brilliant. It's just, yeah,
Well, you know, it's, what is it? Necessity.
mother invention.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Yeah, that one.
yeah, heating
That
pad.
saying. Okay,
Great
so see,
idea.
it's not like beautiful, but it is at least encased. Right?
Yep.
Right. Okay. So then, let's see how our, it's getting good. Let's check this.
Excellent. If you're just joining us, by the way, we are YummyArts Live. We are
getting
in
there.
our first hour. We still have a couple hours to go. Chef Charity is continuing to create a pretty fascinating Easter treat.